Hello children. Under lesson indices, today we are going to see the next part of our lesson, and that is how to find out the square root of a number. Okay? How to find out the square root of a number if a given number is a see here, by square root method, that I will teach you today. So first of all, here square root method is given, how to find the square root. Yesterday till here we seen it. And here finding the square root by which method? Factors method. So factors method is very easy actually. 144 is the example given to us. And you know that if I told you yesterday, you have to learn the squares till 30, 1 to 30. Okay. Once you learn this, okay, then what happens? Your base is perfect and there will be no problem whenever you are solving the example. So we can find it by two methods. 144's factor you find out. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. I taught you the divisibility test. So this 72 is again divisible by 2. So 2 3s are 6, 1 remains. So here it is 12 and 2 6 are 12. Now again it is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. Here remains 1. It means here 16 and 2 8s are 16. Okay. Now the next again this 18 is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. Okay. And 2 9s are 18. Then here 9 is divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So these are the factors. Okay. This is one method that you have to find its factor. Otherwise you also do the another method also, you will get the same factors. How that I will tell you first of all. 144 means what? If you divide 144 here 2 with, then you will get it here. 144 means 2 into 72. 2 into 72. So here 144 is equals to 2 into 72. Now here write 2. Again 72 is divisible by 2. If we divide 72 with the 2, you will get it here 36. Means 72 means what? 36 2s are. So 2 this right here as it is, and 72 means 36 2s are 72. Okay. Now these first 2 and second 2 we have to write here as it is, 2 into 2. Now 36 means again it is divisible by 2. So 18 2s are 36. So here instead of 36 you write here 18 2s are 36. Okay, so 2 into 2 and 36 means 18 2s are 36. Now the next step is these 2s are there, that write at first. So here 2 into 2 into 2 and 18 means what? 9 2s are 18. Or you can write here 2 into 9. Right? Now next these all 4 2s, because these are the prime numbers, they are not divisible. Now we cannot find the factors of this number because these are prime number. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and 9 means what? 3 3s are 9. Now if you see here, you will notice that these all numbers 2 2 2 2 3 3, these are prime numbers. That means we cannot find the factors of this number. So here we have to find the square root. If you see here, how many times 4 came here? 2 times. So here also 4 times 2 came. So here also 2 2 2 2 4 times came, and here 2 times 3 came. Means same factors. You use this method, otherwise this method, no problem. You will get the same factors of the 144. So these are the factors of the 144. Now from these factors, how to find out the square root? Square means 2. Okay, you know that. Means for 2 2s you take 1 2. For next 2 2s you take 1 2. And for next 2 3s you take 1 3. 2, and this is the 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. 144 is the square of 12, and that I taught you. Okay, and I told you to learn also. If you done the multiplication 12 into 12, you will understand, you will notice that its multiplication is 144 and 144 is the square of 12. Okay, so this is the factor method. Now one more method is the square root method. So 144 we have to write here. This is the square root method. 144 factors, how to find, how 144 is the square of which number, how to find out. You know that it is the square of 12. You learn also. Now we solve the example by factor methods also, and same example we will solve by the method that is the which just now I told you, that is the square root method we will see now. So 144, right? Before that, whenever we have to find the factor, this is the sign, this type of a corner you have to write here, and 144 right here. Now 144 we have to make a group from back side, 2's group we have to make. So here it is 2 and 1 is single remain only. So no problem, 1 is single, so write it here as it is. Now you know the square. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. Okay. Now here first group we have to tally the group. First group is which group? 1. I told you to make a group of these numbers here. Here it is 16 and 5 is 25. So here I told you to make a group. So we made a group of 44 and 1. So group 1 square, okay, 1 is the square. So first of all check the squares. 1 square is square. 1 square is 1. So you have to take 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and here you have to do the addition. And 1 square is 1, that you have to write it here. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Here do the subtraction. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. And next group you have to carry downside or write downside. Here it comes 0, 44. Okay. Now here we have to put one number. Okay. Here we have to put one number. This 2 is there. So for that you have to see the number which is put here. Now first that step I will tell you the for next example. 2 here we have to take. So which number we will put it here? Those multiplication, that number you have to put here only. 2's forward. This is the 2 which taken from here, and this is the another 2 we had taken. So first of all I will tell you multiplication. 21 into 21. 21 ones are 21. 21 ones are 21. So 21 is very smaller than the 44. So here we will take the 2. 22 2s are 44. Now here came the 44. So 2 is the number which if we will take it here, okay, that 2 where we have to take at this place, that place, and here we have to do the addition of this. Its addition is the 24, and the multiplication of this both we have to write at this place, 44. Do the subtraction, 0 0 came, stop here, and this is the square of 12. In this way, this method is called as a square root method. Okay, I will take so many examples of this so it will be easy for you to find the square root method. Well, if you understand this square root method, you solve it. Factorize method is there, that also you can use to find the square root of a number. Now from our textbook we will see the next example. That example is not given. That example we solve by which method? Factor method also and square root method also. Here it is the 324. Its factors here it is shown that 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 1 is equal to how much? 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 2 6 are 12. 2 2s are 4. Again this number is divisible by 2. Otherwise I will show you the factors only. 324. 324. So here 2 ones are 2. 1 remains. 2 6 are 12. 2 2s are 4. Again take 2 here. 2 8s are 16. 2 ones are 2. Now 81 is not divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 3. You have to learn the divisibility test and that you have to use for solving this. So 3 2s are 6, remains 2. 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. And then 3 1s are 3. 1 come, then stop here. For these 2, you have to take 1 2. For these 3, you have to take 1 3. For these 3, you have to take 1 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 1 minute. Sorry, my mistake is there. Here for these 3, you have to take 1 3 and here 1 3. So here 2 3s are 6 and 6 3s are 18. 324 is the square of 18. So in this way, the square root of means under root 324 is equals to 18. under root 324 is equal to 18. The meaning of it is that the square root of 324 is 18. In this way you find the square root by this method. So here practice set inside these examples are given. This example you solve this method only. Now I will tell you how to solve the examples by square root. For more information they gave you here to understand it. Okay, so let us find the square root of 9801. 9801. So here I will write 9801. As I told you before only, here we have to give this sign. Then second step is we have to just make a group of 2 from back side. So these 2's group and these 2's group. Here now you will get here first group inside 98. Now you have to check that whose square is smaller than 98. So 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square, you know that 9, 5 square 25. In this way, if you see here, 9 square is 81, 9 9s are 81 and 10 square is 100. So you will notice that the square of 9 is smaller than 98. So you have to take 9 here, here, here. You have to do the addition of 9 here. So 9 plus 9 is the 18 and 9 square 81, that we have to take it here. Do the subtraction now. 9 minus 1 is equal to 7. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7 and 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Okay. Now write the next group here, 0, 1. Group you have to, this group we copy here. Now we have to find such a number whose multiplication is, okay, if we put that number in front of 8, that number's multiplication is 1701. This one, otherwise this number or smaller than this number. So first of all I will, you know that here unit place which number is there? 1 is there, and you know that 1 is present, the square of 1 square is 1 and 9 square is 81. Means at unit place 1 you will get it here. That method is exception for you. I am teaching you this method for the better for practice. Okay, so here we can take here 18 we have to write at first. So take 1 at first, this number you take, 1 here also take and here. Take the number here also and that number only you have to take for multiplication. So 1 1s are 1, 8 1s are 8, 1 1s are 1. So that is very small. So don't take 1 as a factor here. Now we will take 9 as a factor. So 9 as a number here. So 9 9s are 81. 9 8s are 72 plus 8, 80. 8 carry. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 8 is 1701. You got this number. Okay, you got this number. You have to use this trial and error method actually you have to do for this. Okay, so here you have to take which number? 9. Here also you have to take 9. Here also you have to take the 9. Sorry, all is gone only. 1 minute. So here we had taken 9, 9. Do the addition of this 9, 9, 18, 9, 198. And the multiplication of these both you have to write here 1701 and its answer is here 0. And this is means under root 9801 is equals to, means the square root of 9801 is equals to 99. This method is called as a square root method. You can use the multiplication that factorized method also for finding the answer. One more example I will show you and afterwards you have to do the next examples I will teach you in next lecture. So otherwise these 3 examples are there. This note down all of you. Just do the practice. Again I will teach you these 3 examples left. Which 3 examples left? 1 decimal point is there, that also I will teach you how to do. 2 and this one is the 3. These 3 examples I will teach you in tomorrow's lecture, and today just note down, find the these examples, solve 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and with this practice set 30 also you have to solve. Understand? And this practice set you just solve by which method? This method. Square root method is for better, division method is it is there, and that method most tomorrow these 3 examples I will teach you, then it will be perfect for you, and then do you solve the same example by division method. Okay, so today we will stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.